Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to style a rectangular coffee table. And I'm going to share with you several tips that you may want to use in styling a large coffee table. So stick around. I'm stuck in limbo, nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow, shadows lurk all around. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your lovely host here, Gigi Faison. And guys, I welcome you all into my home once again. So now go ahead, grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you are choosing to drink. Sit back and relax. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I'm going to style out my coffee table for the spring and summer. And the coffee table is the last thing that I need to do in my family room here. And then I will be able to share with you guys my spring and summer living room refresh this together. Not quite sure what I'm going to do, but I do have the chinoiserie theme going on in here with the blue and the white with the pops of yellow. So I'm sure I will be doing something to make that all cohesive in this space. So just stick around. Let me get to work, get my little sip, and you guys just sit back and relax. All right? Here we go. And I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. So I have this greenery, and I'm just going to place it inside of the tray, just like this. I'm going to change this greenery out for this fern-like greenery here, and I'm just going to place it inside here. Little statue here. You can just kind of turn that however way, whatever way that you want it, that's pleasing for your style and what you're looking to do. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know. And these are just some of my coffee table books. Homebody by Joanna Gaines, Parashal, Soul of the Home, and then The Gift of Gathering. And the Homebody by Joanna Gaines, this is one that I got free from Joann's Fabric a couple years ago. I guess I bought something and then I was able to get something for free. And this book was free. The Soul of the Home, Designing with Antiques, is one that I purchased from Amazon, as well as The Gift of Gathering. So I'm just going to place these books here along the side. Just kind of stack them. And I have this little butterfly I'm just going to place here. And I have this lovely vase here I purchased from Belk. I think it was last year or the year before. I've added in these snowball bushes here and the dogwood branches. So I'm just going to place this over on this edge here. Won't shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand it. Filled it with a little snowball
branches, and I'm just gonna place it right here next to that vase, just like so.
In my tank, I'm stuck in limbo. Nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow. Shadows lurk all around. In my sorrow, can't focus. I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do.
Here guys, installing my table, as you can see, I used this blue tray here with the gold handles, added in some decorative balls, added in some candles, and these candles I purchased from a local shop here in town. These are the Mackenzie Childs candles. So I decided to add these in these black candle holders. Added in my greenery, a pop of color with these yellow faux flowers here, and this little gold statue. So this is all that I've added inside of my tray. This is pretty much my centerpiece, my staple piece here. Because my table is so large, I decided to go in with two vases here. Now the larger vase, this is where I've created my height, my dimension. The smaller vase here, I added in the same type of flowers as I have in my larger vase. Wanted to make it very cohesive, and these are the snowball flower picks here, and these are some that I ordered from Amazon. Added the same type here, but these I also added some dogwood branches in the larger vase, and I shared both these vases with you when I started. So in my style here, I pulled my tray closer to the front here, added the two vases towards the back over here. So we've got that line, but it's not a straight line, but they are aligned with each other. On the opposite side, I added in my books, and I kind of staggered my books here. Went in with my decorative pieces, the butterfly and the bust. So it gives us almost like a V shape here in my space. If you want to start here, we're going to come up here, and then we are going here. A decorative piece in my home versus to give you a few tips on today. Because my table is so large, I can pretty much style it any way that I choose to, whether I choose to do a minimalist or a maximalist. I can make it look great. So here we are going to start with the center. And this is my beautiful tray that I shared with you in the beginning. Now, tip number one is to set the foundation by using a tray. Tip number two, add you some greenery. I love using greenery because to me, it brings in that element of nature, that natural feel. And so I decided to just use this greenery and allow it to drape over the table because it is so large. If you can see how I have draped it alongside the tray and have it to extend out. Number three, you want to add you some books. And as you can see, I've kind of staggered my books, and I shared these books with you in the beginning. Add some books. Add yourself candles. Candles bring about the ambiance. I didn't have a jar glass candle that I wanted to use, so I just decided to pull these out just for the purpose of sharing with you the ambiance that adding a candle will bring to your space. On to tip number 5. But these are just some decorative objects that I chose to use. The butterfly, the bust, the balls, the statue. Next on to tip number 6. And then you want to go in with variations of height, which I have used these 2 vases here. That would be tip number 7. If you don't have greenery, add in some faux florals or some real flowers, and all you have to do is just use some real flowers, submerge them into some water, and they will last for several days or even a week. And faux flowers or real flowers will look beautiful. Now I wanted to go in and break up some of the gold and the greenery that I had here in my tray, myself a pop of color. So I guess a bonus tip would be add a pop of color. All right, guys, this is my spring and summer coffee table styling with several tips on how to style a rectangular coffee table. You can say rectangular or you could say square. It equals the same. All right, I hope that will give you an idea as to how to style your table, your coffee table, and whether you use your coffee table for a purpose, maybe to eat on or just to house your remote control or the things that you use every day, or whether you just use your coffee table as I do as a statement piece into your space, then hopefully this will create and spark some creativity into your mind that you may want to go ahead and decorate your space in your home. Decorate your coffee table to your liking and just have fun in doing so. And if you have pieces around the house such as decorative objects, grab all of those pieces, pull them together, and just play around on your table. Play around on your coffee table until you get a look that you like. Add in a few of these statement pieces that I've stated, you know, some of those books, tray, candles, faux or real flowers, and your decorative pieces. Pull them all out, put them in the middle of the floor, and just play around. Have fun, guys. Thanks for watching. If this is your very first time, again, I welcome you and I thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button, but make sure you hit that notification bell so that you will always be notified of any and all up-and-coming videos that are created on this channel. Again, I am your lovely host. You are here styling with Gigi Faison. Thanks again, guys.
Spend a day looking blank out the window, all looks great in my tank. I'm stuck in limbo, nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow, shadows lurk all around. In my sorrow, can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you